friends, today I'm going to show you all my erasers that I have so far. I've been collecting erasers because they're just so cute. So the first one is a love eraser. It looks like this. And this one was from the dollar store. And then we have Cute, also from the dollar store. And they have them right now because of Valentine's Day. Then we have Hugs from the dollar store. Then we have Kiss, also from the dollar store, and they're super thick and they're perfect. Then this actually smells like blueberries. It smells really good. And then this one is a grape flavor, and this is an orange flavor. And then next we have a melon flavor. So all these smell really nice. I haven't actually used any of them, and I like to trade them with my friends, so it's pretty fun. And this one's a strawberry flavor. This one's a melon flavor. And then I have an orange flavor. And then I have some sushi. And a Christmas one. A whale. Oh, I have another grape one. And then I have some hearts. These are Valentine's hearts, and also from the dollar store I just got recently. I'm into collecting erasers right now. And then we got this circle eraser one, a panda, a little cute bear, a unicorn. This one I'm not sure, it just broke off, so we'll just throw that one away because it's not cute. Then we have an owl, a bunny that I used, a gingerbread for Christmas, another sushi right here, put that right there. Then we have another sushi right here, and you can find these at Daiso, the Japanese store. A diamond, a spider, a bunny, some more hearts, a little hedgehog, a ladybug, a frog, another gingerbread, a little guitar, another guitar, a little flower. And then these are just, you know, you put it on top of your pencil. And that's my collection so far, but I'm gonna add to it. I'm gonna get some kawaii ones and stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you in my next stationery video. Bye, friends.